Hello everyone, so in today's video I'm going to show you this Instagram model makeup, so here's me without the makeup. So first I'm going to put my hair up, and then I'm actually going to take a Catrice Camouflage Concealer and put it on all of my imperfections, and also under my eyes and, on my nose, on my cheeks, on my forehead. You can literally put it anywhere. If you want to, you can use a foundation if you feel like that's that will look better on you, or that's better for your skin. I decided for this look to be very natural and to still have some of my imperfections showing, so I just used a bit of concealer. Then I use this setting powder by Essence to set everything in place. My skin is not that oily, but it can get quite oily throughout the day, so I do think that it is quite an important step in my makeup routine. So now I'm going to be using this contouring shade from the palette to contour my jawline, my cheekbones, my forehead, and also I contour my nose. So to contour my nose, I just draw 2 straight lines down the bridge of my nose and then blend everything out with a big fluffy brush that you will see later as well. Instagram model makeup is usually very natural and very sun-kissed and very glowy, and I'm pale as hell because the winter just finished, and to be honest, where I live we still have snow on the ground, so just adding bronzer, and I use this as like a contouring and the bronzer at the same time, and it works fine for me because I'm quite pale. But if you need to, you can use a different shade to just warm up your face, like overall. Then I use this cream blush to add blush to my cheeks and also a tiny bit on my nose. I don't actually use a lot because, as I said, I am quite pale, and I know a lot of people like that heavy blushed look. I'm quite a fan of that look when I'm tan during summer, but during winter I usually just apply a tiny bit to have this young and fresh look, but not anything crazy and too bright. So now we'll move on to eyebrows. So first I brush them, and then I lightly fill them in with this Essence eyebrow pencil. It's very small now, but yeah, I just fill in any sparse areas and lightly fill in the front part as well. And here's me being very happy because the sun came out. Then I use this brow mascara to just set my brows in place, and this is also tinted, so it gives a little bit, even more color to my eyebrows. But eyebrows, I think, is a very personal thing, so everyone has their own routine. I use this palette, and I use these 3 shades that are basically Gold Bar, Cinnamon, and Choco or Cocoa. But before that I put my bronzer contouring shade that I used all over my lid, and then I used Gold Bar all over my lid. Then I used Cinnamon on the outer half of my lid, and then added a bit of Cocoa to the outer corner to deepen it up just a tiny bit. So I've noticed that most of these Instagram models have very warm, bronzy, and sparkly eye looks. I just did a more natural version of it because I personally don't wear a lot of makeup on a daily basis, so doing kind of like a more smokier look wouldn't just make sense for me. So I decided to make it a bit more of a daytime look. Then I use this mascara and apply it to my top lashes. I'm not the biggest fan of mascara on my bottom lashes, you know, personally how that looks on me, but if you are, definitely go for it. I think on some people it looks like just incredible. Then I use this lipstick and I put it on my lips and then I blend it out with my finger. And also what you'll see me doing is anything that's left on my finger, I kind of add it to my cheeks as well, and that's why I don't really apply a lot of blush from the beginning, because I know that that's usually what I will do, and I think that just looks very natural and very put together. The last thing is I take this middle highlighting shade from this Vivo palette and apply this to high points of my face, obviously, to give them, you know, a bit of shine, because this whole Instagram model look is about looking fresh, dewy, and natural, and very young. So highlighter, I feel like, just emphasizes like beauty of the skin. And that's it for this makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, here's me posing on camera. And anyways, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Put your hand